A woman who's supposed to be dead showed up at her own funeral, and what happens next is so shocking you won't believe it. Part 2. When Noella saw everyone gathering for her funeral, she decided to watch from afar. Noella then saw her own husband arrive at her funeral and decided to approach him. As Noella walked up to her husband to approach him, he turned around and had the look of terror on his face. He began to frantically talk to himself and scream for forgiveness, but what happens next will shock you. But first, I just found a way you can prank your friends by changing their text messages without them knowing. You can literally make them say whatever you want, so press right here and try it. Noella then decided to call the police, who told her to talk to her husband while in front of them. And that's when he made a full confession and was finally arrested for the crime he attempted to commit. He then went to court and pleaded guilty and got 9 years in prison, while Noella was just happy to survive such a traumatic experience.